Howdy. So, getting right into it. I launched my second product. Woo! It's like the lamest celebration ever. But yeah, launched my second product for my Made in the USA brand, that is. It took a lot of time, a lot of work, but I'm trying to steamroll straight into my next 5. I kind of spent the first year of the first product we launched with, to put the sales on the screen right now, just trying to figure out if adding another channel or just focusing on adding more products would be more profitable. So I spent a lot of time messing around with, setting up our website, email funnel, building out our blog posts, working on social media, running social media ads, and ultimately that gave us marginally more traffic, but Amazon just time and time again proves that it is the way forward. And if we just had 4 more products doing what we were doing right now, we'd be a 7-figure brand. Good enough, right? Let's just do that. Okay, so that's what we're officially doing. This is our second official product launch. We sold 3 on day 1, launched on Saturday. Today's Monday. Yesterday we sold 5. Today it's early, it's 9 a.m. We sold 1 so far. So stronger than my past products in this brand's launch. I believe we sold 3 on day 1, 1 on day 2, and then 0 on day 3. So we've already beat that record. I'm really looking forward to it. I'll be posting updates here. I wanted to kind of post this little vlog style video as almost like an open Q&A in the comment section. Let me know, what are your questions as I document this launch. Excuse me, just drank a lot of coffee. Haven't really talked yet either. Let me know what your questions are. Is it regarding PPC? Is it how I'm launching? Is it, video stuff, enhanced brand content? I'll give you some hints right now. We're running a lot of PPC and we are strictly focusing on Amazon. We are not getting fake reviews. We are not getting friends and family to review. The sales that I've made so far have been with 0 reviews. So we're just launching kind of cold turkey, if you will. We posted 1 video on our Instagram for the brand. The brand has about 750 followers on Instagram. It's our only social, really. And this week we'll be sending out an email blast with about 500 subscribers to our email list from the first product. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to update you all. I'll let you know that the second product for my brand is officially live. Really excited to see how that goes. And then, yeah, we're already working on the third. So the funny thing about, to me, all of the work of Amazon is kind of upfront. Figuring out your manufacturer. Already did that with the first brand. They just made our second product that was way easier the next time. And that was one of the things that I started really seeing the potential with brand building, is like, your second and third product are 3 times, 5 times as easy as the first one. Like, this third product is going to be ridiculous easy. We already have all the resources. My awesome photographer spent like $2,000 on photography this time around. We really went after it with the branding and the creative. And I think it shows. It's the best listing I've ever made, without a doubt. I love this listing. We're still working on enhanced brand content, but the images and the video that we made, it's all awesome. Love it. And what was I going to say? Oh yeah, the third product is going to be even easier. So if you're curious about kind of how I'm really doing this, let me know down below. I'm just here to help. It's the only reason I'm still here on YouTube, is just to help everyone out, document my journey. Obviously, I don't have even have a paid course anymore. I have a mastermind where you work with me one-on-one and other students one-on-one, face-to-face stuff. But that's just like literally paying for my time. And there's a free course link in the description if you want to learn more about this. Not really the point of the video, but just figured I'd bring that up. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Here to help. See you in the next one. Later.